In this video, let's talk about Teradek's new A750 wireless transmitter and receiver.
Real quick, you're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible, Blackmagic and Atomos. And now back to the video.
All right, I'm here with Colin from Teradek. Colin, good to see you. Tell me what we got going on here with Teradek TV.
Yeah, so Teradek TV is our cloud platform for streaming live feeds and recordings to remote producers or executives or whoever may be offset. And so we basically have all the hardware needed, encoders on the cameras or at Video Village, and then if you have Wi-Fi on set, that's all you need. But we also have Wi-Fi router and self-service, and even a self-service to actually get metadata and whatnot up to the cloud.
Okay, so we're not just streaming the video feed, we could also get actual camera data?
Yeah, so we have something coming new, which will be a sidecar file with camera metadata. Obviously, totally camera dependent, but we're going to try to pull as much as we can and give you that with the recordings.
All right, so what do you see with some use cases for that, for having remote access to the camera metadata?
Yeah, I think metadata going forward is going to be really important to just have. Right now, it's all about just having that access and then being able to share that with the right people. If it's the post team or VFX team, having as much information as you can so you can share that, for who needs it whenever they need it.
And so what are some of the options we have, like routing, who can see what camera, or what kind of
so Teradek TV is trying to be as simple as possible for the management side and for the viewing side. So the management side is on a browser, so just go to teradek.tv, you sign in, and you're going to get to this homepage where you can have a list of cameras, you can have a list of your users, and then you have what we call spaces. And spaces are basically dedicated rooms or areas that cameras and people live, and they can then communicate text and voice to discuss what's going on. But they can stay in their own space. So maybe producers get their own space, and maybe crew gets their own space, or post gets their own space. And so they can collaborate and watch the content that's been shared with them or not shared with them in that specific space.
And so you're saying there's some communication, so can stuff go back to set, or is it just if someone has like a computer open on set within the same room?
Yeah, if they have their iPhone, iPad on set, then they can be part of that same conversation.
All right, very cool. And is there also, I don't know if this is tied into Teradek TV, but there's a Teradek streaming protocol that was released?
Yes, we have something new called TRT, and it's basically our new ultra low latency streaming protocol. And so that should be coming in the next few months, and that will just be inside Teradek TV. You don't even need to think about it, but it lets us get to really low latency, and that's something, very exciting.
So what was the idea behind creating that versus just using already an existing streaming protocol?
Because we've been able to achieve less sub 100 millisecond latency.
Nice. Awesome.
So it's going to be pretty cool.
Cool. And Teradek TV itself right now, is that available or coming out?
Yes, Teradek TV is fully available. Just go to teradek.tv. You can sign up for a free trial. And then basically the way we price it is all the streaming is unlimited. You just pay for the people that are in your project.
Colin, tell me what we got going on here with the new ACE.
Yeah, so ACE is our zero delay wireless video system. So unlike Wi-Fi solutions that do have some latency, although we talked about ways to reduce that, ACE is a zero delay point-to-point system. So no frame delay. So basically ACE is our lowest entry model, most affordable, but still gets those users into the zero delay ecosystem. And so ACE is a 4K P30 over HDMI. You can have one transmitter and up to 6 receivers. Bolt and ACE work together. You can mix and match TX and RX. Now the difference though is that ACE is really meant to be full automatic. So there's not as many settings to adjust. It's meant to just work by itself and just give you the best.
Like power it up and it works.
Yeah, exactly. Whereas Bolt, you can really fine tune exactly the frequency that you want. And there's a variety of video quality settings You can go into different bandwidths. There's a lot of tools that Bolt offers that Ace doesn't. So that's the difference.
And pricing and availability for Ace?
Yeah, so Ace is going to be just over $1,000 for a TX RX pair.
Okay.
And then just half that basically for a single unit. It will start shipping later in May.
All right, cool. Thanks a lot, Colin.
Great, thank you.
Appreciate it.
And that is it for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our NAB coverage over here at this playlist and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next episode.